Canva Auto Caption Generator. Using Canva Auto Caption Generator helps with accessibility and helps users with automatic captions. So how can we do it? So let's get started. So the first thing what you need to do is go to apps at the left side of the screen. You can see this option and tap on the first option that says transcribe audio and open it. Tap on open. After that, you can see choose file and transcribe your audio option. What you need to do is choose a file from your folder that is on your laptop. Just choose one of the folders. Let's choose one of the music, for example. Just choose one of it and transcribe your audio. That will transcribe your audio into a text and it will appear in this screen on your design. So let's say this is the audio that I got. So you may just customize it however you want. You may increase or decrease the font on your preference, and you can also add effects to it by tapping on that three dot. Tap on effects, and you can see the different types of style that you may use on your text, such as neon, hollow, splice, outline, AG, echo, whatever, and customize it accordingly, like offset and direction. And you may also customize it other way and animate it as well, or keep the positions as well. And that's it. That's basically a very simple process that you can use to auto-generate caption on Canva. So thank you for watching this video.